Hi guys, and welcome to our video about the power of artificial intelligence in marketing. If you want to take your business to the next level, you'll want to catch every single episode of this video. AI marketing offers companies incredible opportunities to better understand and interact with their customers, leading to increased revenue and brand loyalty. In this video, we'll look at how AI revolutionizes the marketing landscape and share some tips and strategies for implementing AI marketing in your own business. So let's start.
Have you heard about Memorable Ad Maker? It's the fantastic tool that's going to revolutionize the way we create ads. It's an AI-based platform that uses a technology called Creative Intelligence Suite to help marketers create impactful advertisements that are optimized for marketing KPIs, not just photorealism. Think about it. You can now create an ad with just a simple description. Or if you're feeling stuck, the ad tip guide is there to provide some inspiration. And if you want to go extra mile, the booster feature lets you choose from a selection of sample ads to give you that extra push. But that's not all. The tool even gives you predictions on how well your ad is going to perform. It predicts memorability potential, attention in context, engagement potential, and distinctiveness. And you don't have to worry about the quality of the final product. All ads are produced in high definition with either 8K or 4K resolution options. Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that stands out from the crowd. It's not just a simple image generator, but an AI-powered platform that takes into consideration the marketing goals and KPIs of each ad. And let's be honest, in today's competitive market, it's all about creating ads that are not just visually appealing, but also memorable and impactful. You might be wondering, how do I use the tool? Well, it's super easy. You can input a description of the ad you want, upload an image, or use the ad cues guide. And the best part, you can create all sorts of ads, from high-quality photos of groceries to smartwatches, from smoothies to vases. The possibilities are endless. And the early adopters of this technology love it. Bauti Bariso, a marketing professional, says, "As someone who focuses on efficiency and ROI, I have to say this tool is a game changer. Even if you don't end up using the image, you can test ideas in seconds and see if it improves your performance." And Katrina K is just as thrilled. "I'm fascinated with AdMaker because it's not only a robust text-to-image generator, but also a mechanism to analyze those images for impact. It's a great AI-based tool for brainstorming and testing ideas before they go into production." In conclusion, Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that should be on every marketer's radar. It's AI-powered, user-friendly, and helps improve the final product's creative process, performance predictions, and quality. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for early access and see how it can help you create impactful ads and achieve your marketing goals. Have you ever heard of Tulsi? It's a fantastic tool that helps Etsy sellers like us increase sales and reach a larger market. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal to take over the Etsy world. Tulsi gives you the power to analyze and track your competitors with incredibly accurate data, so you can find out what people love on Etsy and replicate it in your store. And the best part is that it's super easy to use. It takes just a few minutes to download and connect to your Etsy store, and you're ready to go. With Tulsi, you can do a keyword search and redesign your process so the right customers can find you easily. Just find the keywords they're searching for what you're selling, and voila, you'll get an insane boost in organic traffic. You can also do a store search to see what other Etsy stores offer and what's popular. This feature connects you to every store on Etsy so you can see everything they offer. And if you want to see how much product they're selling, Tulsi also has a rank check feature that allows you to see the best-selling items. With these three factors combined, you'll clearly understand what's hot, who has it, and how they're positioning their offerings. Not only that, but you can also create product reports to find out the most popular products on the market at any given time. You can create reports by category to see what people buy in each category. With Tulsi, you'll be able to put your popular products in the best category where people are searching for them. And if you need a general report, that summarizes any numbers you need to make better decisions for your store. Tulsi has got you covered. Even better, Toolsy requires no fancy marketing degree or math expertise. It's easy to learn and saves you a ton of money on outreach. You can find out what's popular in just a few minutes and clicks. And don't just take my word for it. Toolsy has received positive reviews from many users who have praised its community, design, and pricing. For example, Ali Tavlashoglu writes, "Toolsy is the best tool I have used. I find my keyword rankings easily with Toolsy and my sales went up after I started using it. I love the design of the interface and the features that can't be found anywhere else. I'm thrilled to be able to keep track of my competitors." Serap was also pleased with the collaboration, saying, "The best tool I have used. I find my keyword rankings easily with Toolsy. After I started using it, my sales went up. It's a great tool." So what are you waiting for? Get Toolsy today and turn your Etsy store into a sales growth machine. It offers a free trial or version to try it out for yourself. I hope this helps, and happy selling. Have you heard about Evelop? It's an amazing AI-based tool for creating and managing affiliate stores, and I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with what it has to offer. Think about it. With Evelop, you can have your own affiliate store up and running in just a few clicks, and you won't have to worry about a thing. No inventory, no order management, no customer service, no product sourcing. Evelop takes care of it all. And the best part, you can start earning commissions right away. Evelop works with all affiliate programs, so you can choose products that you're passionate about and that you know your audience will love. And with its advanced tools and features, you'll be able to maximize your commissions like never before. From automatic product imports and price and availability synchronization to artificial intelligence-based content writing, translation, and SEO optimization, Evelop has got you covered. And if you're worried about SEO, don't be. Evelop offers 50 unique SEO optimizations, features, and a full SEO management dashboard. With Evelop, you'll be able to create content 6 times faster and optimize your site for search engines with ease. And the cherry on top, you can get started with Evelop for just $10 a month. That's an unbeatable offer, especially when you consider all the time and money you'll save compared to traditional affiliate website creation. And the best part is, with Evelop, you'll never feel lost or alone in the affiliate world. Their customer support team is always there to help you out, no matter what you need. Whether you're looking for guidance on product selection, help with optimizing your site for search engines, or just have a question about how to use a feature, they're always just a phone call or email away. And you can manage all your sites from one place. That's right, with Evelop, you'll have a single account where you can manage all your affiliate stores, making it super convenient and easy to keep track of everything. Another thing I love about Evelop is that it's constantly evolving and improving. The Evelop team is always working on new features and updates to make sure that their users are always ahead of the curve when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you can be sure that as the affiliate market continues to grow and change, Evelop will be right there with you, giving you the tools and support you need to succeed. So there you have it, my friend. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for creating and managing your affiliate stores, look no further than Evelop. With its advanced AI technology, comprehensive hosting and support, and unbeatable offer of $10 a month, it's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to start earning commissions and building their affiliate empire. So don't wait. Sign up for the 7-day free trial today and see for yourself what Evelop can do. Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of process documents and wishing you had an AI-powered system to help you navigate through them? Well, look no further than Jackrabbit Ops. This unique tool is an AI documentation software that helps businesses efficiently create and manage their process documentation. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can quickly generate process documentation in just 24 hours. How? The AI uses artificial intelligence to quickly and accurately create processes that train itself through data from templates, imports, videos, and charts. And once it has been trained on your specific techniques, it can provide answers to questions by your business processes. But here's the best part. The AI-generated processes are quickly revised and updated, allowing you to make changes and perfect responses in no time. And the best part? You can try Jackrabbit Ops for free without providing any credit card details. Say goodbye to the tedious task of constantly keeping up with changes in business operations and digging through processes to find answers. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can chat with your business like you're talking to a human. It's like having your assistant, but better. And it's available 24/7 and never takes a day off. But that's not all. Jackrabbit Ops is cost efficient too. It helps you save on cost by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, which allows your employees to focus on more critical and value-adding tasks. Plus, it can also help to improve employee morale and job satisfaction. One of the best features of Jackrabbit Ops is its centralized platform where all your business's critical information is stored. This enables you to access data from anywhere and at any time, and it can help you to identify patterns and trends in your business, which will help you make data-driven decisions that lead to growth and success. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Jackrabbit Ops today and start seeing the benefits immediately. It's like having a general manager who is always available and gives you the correct answers at the right time. Make Jackrabbit Ops the best hire you ever made and see your business grow like never before. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can rest assured that your business operations are safe and you can focus on what matters, growing your business. Have you heard of Ayla AI? It's a pretty fantastic tool that can help with all sorts of content creation tasks. With Ayla AI, you can generate blog posts, ads, emails, reports, and even realistic images using the power of AI. It's like having a personal writing assistant to help you create all sorts of content in seconds. One of the best things about Ayla AI is that it can save you so much time and effort in your creative work. With just a few clicks, you can instantly generate any type of long-form content, which is great for SEO optimization and provides workflows that support the whole writing process. You don't have to worry about writer's block or spending hours researching and writing content from scratch. Ayla AI also offers 30 languages, so you can create content in multiple languages and reach a wider audience. And if you need some visuals to go along with your written content, Ayla AI has covered you with its realistic image generation feature. You can customize your content to your liking and make it look professional and polished in no time. The Ayla Chrome extension is also a great feature that allows you to utilize the power of AI everywhere. You can write and optimize content directly on emails, ads, and social media platforms. This makes it easy to write on the go and ensures that all your content is SEO optimized and ready to go. Finally, Ayla AI is trusted by thousands of professionals in various industries and is rated 5 out of 5 stars by its customers. It's an excellent tool for bloggers, content marketers, and anyone who wants to improve their content creation skills and efficiency. And the best part, Ayla AI offers a 1-week free trial with 5,000 words, so you can try it out and see how amazing it is. Now let's talk about the pricing and features of Ayla AI. There are 3 plans: Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The basic plan costs $29.99 per month and includes 30,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 1 user seat. It offers an AI content editor, Grammarly integration, and general AI writing tools and features, but has limited advanced AI features. The Pro plan costs $139.99 per month and includes 250,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 5 user seats. It offers the same features as the basic plan, but also allows for customized AI tools and feature requests, and includes an account manager and priority customer support. This plan is great for larger teams or individuals needing more advanced features. The Enterprise plan is custom priced and includes 1 million plus words credits per month, 30 languages, and unlimited user seats. It consists of all advanced features, customized AI tools and feature requests, excellent technical support, a dedicated account manager, and onboarding and training sessions. It also offers an AI content editor and Grammarly integration. This plan is perfect for large enterprises or organizations that need the most advanced features and support. So there you have it, my friend. Ayla AI is a fantastic tool that can help you save time and improve your content creation skills. With its various plans and features, you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Give it a try and let me know what you think.